It's your boy Rico Styles back with another Don't Watch Me, Watch My YouTube. And right here I got an unboxing I'm about to do right now. Straight from Nike. Probably you already seen one review, you've seen them all, but you already know what time it is. Yeah. They actually coming out with another colorway that's definitely fire. That I don't know if I'm gonna get it yet, but because it's $200 price mark and it's a little bit steep. Especially since they got so many shoes coming out. But this is my first time looking at these. Yeah. I say the quality on these is A1. They're pretty nice. And I'm a fan of 7s anyway, so when I seen these, I was like, yep, if I can get them like when they first dropped, yeah, I struck out on that. I had no chance to get those. Bots took all those pairs. But resale is not that high anyway, so you can get these easily on StockX. But here you go right here. Like I said, quality on these is pretty good. See the other shoe real quick. See if there's any glue marks. There's a little bit of glue marks, but all in all, I say these right here is a solid shoe. Yeah. Try to give me a thumbnail. Let me stand still. But anyways, these are the shoes. See the wrapping right here. And if y'all want to know what I rock with this fit, give y'all a gem. Voila. I mean, you probably haven't seen these in forever, but these came out in... I'm tripping. What the heck is that? Oh yeah, 2005 is when they produced these, but yeah, that's what I rock with this right here. Fly shoe. It's your boy Styles. I'm out.